What's up? It's Kai, and we're gonna get into a curly hair routine, wash and go for short hair. So let's just get straight into the video.
I like using OGX products to wash my hair, especially with mint because it cleans the best, and if you have buildup or dandruff, then that can stunt your growth, and mint is the best option to get rid of that. My hair is straight right now, so I'm just trying to, get it back curly. Well, I'm going to let you guys sit back and enjoy. I'm gonna put my hair into a bun while the conditioner sits, and I'm gonna wash up and do what I gotta do.
Alright, so I'm out the shower, all loosened up, good to go. So I like to put in a little conditioner again, just because that's what I like to do. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. It should be pretty much all combed out and detangled, but but I like to do my ends again just in case. Freak it. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I say freak it because, you know, we don't want YouTube blocking the video from anybody. Boom! Look like a lion now. So, per usual, I don't have my usual products. Yes, Cantu, but it's usually the curl cream. So let's just see how this is gonna look, because this one is the leave-in. I'm actually supposed to go get those today, but it's been so long since I made a video, and my hair is straight, and I was gonna wash my hair anyway. So I was like, you know, I'm just going to record. A lot of people do like little parts, but I don't have time for all that. My hair is way too thick, so I just do it this side, this side. I don't know if you can see the difference from when I just first got out the shower to now. And this is without the curl cream, so it's pretty impressive. Since my hair sticks sometimes, I like to open it up, and there's too much frizzies for my liking, so I like to get in there. Wet my hands a little bit. Same thing on the other side. Okay, like I said, per usual, I don't have what I would usually or recommend using. But in a past curly hair routine that I had tried Jessie J's jelly curls, and then I tried pillow soft curls. If you watched that, I tried pillow soft curls, and it was amazing. So that's what I would use. Pillow soft curls is about $20. Every time I go to Walmart, it's like not there, because I was gonna get it last week, so I was prepared, but it was sold out. There's jelly soft curls. That one's a little bit cheaper. I would get that if it's like, okay, I don't have the money for all this right now. So, pillow soft curls, that's what you're gonna use for your gel. Today I'm gonna use some cheap gel. With the gel, just in case you're on a budget, this is like literally from Family Dollar. It's called LA Looks. If you like how my hair turns out at the end, by all means. Okay, and I have 3C hair, just to let you know. With this, I finger comb as well, because it's gel, kind of, you know, most people will finger comb gel. Okay, I'm gonna go over left side again because my hair don't like like to take in any type of moisturizer, like I said. Already kind of tell I'm gonna have some frizz with Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. The reason I really liked it is because it left like little to no frizz and smelled great. But I always keep, that's why I say, keep a backup cheap gel. So I don't use this often. Like, if I don't have products and I actually have no way of getting some new products, I reach into the back for my cheap gel. But, it's better than nothing. So after this, I'll do my edges. I'm gonna do my edges. This is what I use. As you can tell, it's $5.99. This. And I have my hair with this. Okay, let's do this. I like to put the front of my hair back.
Son of a bitch!
Okay, like that. And then have hair all over me. I'm gonna try and because the mirror's over here, and I can't see myself, so. Okay, now that my hair has dried a little bit, now we can kind of see the results. Not bad for not having the right products, I think. Let's look at the back. I'm sorry about the noise. Living in apartments. Yeah. this is what it is. I just want to thank you if you, oh my God. I want to thank you if you've already been subscribed. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like these. And I guess that's it. All right, thank you.
I can't trust nobody no more.